we're going on a quick test drive. I have the microphone here in the vehicle, and then in a little while I'm going to place it on the outside of the vehicle so you can hear the exhaust. But for now, we're just going to go on a drive with that microphone here in the cabin, so it sounds about what it's like when you're actually driving. Car shifts nice and smooth. Sounds amazing. Steering feels great. I don't have any issues with the drivability. Now we're going to flip it to the outside of the car for the exhaust notes on that microphone. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So starting with the front right wheel. So far, I don't see any curb rash. That wheel looks good here on the center lock. Looks amazing. Yellow calipers are clean. Those carbon ceramics look awesome. I would say that wheel is pretty much perfect. I do not see any PPF on this car. That section looks amazing. Got 2 rock chips right there. Now, of course, in this area, you're going to have little rock impacts. But as far as this section, it looks really clean. No PPF on the mirror. See a tiny scuff there. Otherwise, that thing looks really good. Here on the A-pillar, there's 1 rock chip here. The rest of that looks good. I'm going to try to scan down this little area here. Not seeing anything. So far that roof looks good. Now starting on the door here. See some chip right there. That door edge feels good. Now here on the lower side, you have a couple scuffs from getting in and out. Looks like a few chips, a little chip there. And that is a gash. That actually catches my nail. You do have film right here protecting it from rocks. Looks like a couple got through though. And then here on that lower section, you're gonna see it kind of peppered with rock impacts. Some of them rock chips, but all pretty minor. You do have a noticeable chip right there. A couple small impacts in this section. That quarter panel looks good. I do see some scratches right here. rock chip there. A couple chips down here. That's an easy fix with this wheel. Being that satin black, you can get that sanded down and repainted. Really easy. Other than that, that wheel looks awesome. Okay, checking out the front end. Like I said, no PPF on this car. But looking at that headlight, that looks really good. We do have a noticeable rock chip here. Small one right there. See some little rock impacts. Actually, this one's a chip. See some really small impacts every once in a while. See a really faint scuff, just probably from just everyday washing. The rest of that hood looks good. That's actually really, really clean. I'd say it has 2 or 3 noticeable rock chips, and that's about it. That section looks good. Headlight looks good. Got a chip right here. Couple rock impacts, of course. I see a chip on the trim there. That front end looks amazing. I imagine at some point this did have PPF on it, as clean as it is. Now here in the plastic, you can see some little gashes, rock impacts. That splitter, that side looks good. I'm gonna look underneath it here. See some minor rash on it. All pretty subtle that we gotta get underneath the car. And then here on this lower lip, we do have some noticeable rock chips. I'd say they're just kind of peppered every once in a while, not a ton. And like I said, you got to get real low, and with this being just a real simple white, touching up those would be no problem. A little rash down here. Other than that, looks amazing. I'm not seeing any damage. It's just those tiny little cosmetic imperfections. And then looking here in the front, all of that looks awesome. Of course, all these plastics are nice and clean. And the underhood looks amazing. All right, checking out this side now. That fender looks awesome. I see a chip right here. Besides that, it looks really good. Calipers look good. Brakes are super clean. Here on the side mirror, that looks nice. A-pillar looks amazing. Couple scuffs from getting in and out here on that lower section. See a really small scuff right there. Couple graze marks on that door edge. Other than that, it looks good. You got that PPF here. You do have a couple larger rock chips on that lower side, and then of course just the rock impacts. This film's protected this section, and then you have a couple impacts here. Quarter panel looks good. I don't see any flaws on this wheel. Very clean. This side looks good. All right, checking out the back here. We'll start with the spoiler. Looks awesome. Here on the top side, all of that looks good. Taillight looks amazing. Love the white letters. So far, all of this looks good. I don't see any damage anywhere or any imperfections that stand out. Looks really good. All of this looks good. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker and it actually smells really, really good in this car. Just over 29,000 miles. This thing is very clean. You would never know it had almost 30,000 miles on it. All of this Alcantara looks good. Super clean. A couple minor scuffs on that lower section, but otherwise that door panel looks good. You do have some scratches on this plastic from getting in and out. That trim looks good. Here on the seat, on that very edge, of course, you have some scuffs. And then looking at the top side here, that looks good. A little bit of wear right there. That's clean. All of this looks good. Got the carbon on the seats. The Alcantara is nice and soft. You can make the lines in it. Here on the steering wheel, it's really soft in some spots and then matted down in a couple other areas like this. This little thumb area is kind of matted down, but you can see you can make the lines still in most of the steering wheel. A little matted down here on that top side, but all of that can be steam cleaned and come back to life and look perfect. This all looks good. That screen looks amazing. All these buttons are perfect. Now looking at the shifter, that Alcantara is matted down. That's one of the main spots of wear in here that's noticeable. Everything else though looks really, really good. Then checking out the passenger door panel. The upper section is perfect. You can see all of the Alcantara here. Looks good, nice and soft. The underside looks really clean. That trim's nice and clean, but we do have a couple scuffs here on that inside. Looking at that bolster, that looks good. This piece looks nice. That looks really good. Got the carbon here and carbon on the full back. Here on this Alcantara, I don't see any flaws. You can see how smooth it is. You can make the lines in it. Same with the carpet. Here on the dash, we do have a couple scuffs on that dash. Upper side looks amazing. Got your cup holders here. This side of the console looks good. I see a small scuff right there on that armrest, but the rest of that looks really, really nice. Full Alcantara top. Of course, it's really hard to see back here with minimal light. There are no flaws back here. This is all super clean. And then looking at that seat back, the full carbon, looks really good.